Notice the darker green on the left and the lighter green on the right. Got these steamed fresh sugar snap peas. And look at the difference in these. All of them are different colors. I don't get it. Oh well. Alright. We got like 2.5 tablespoons of coconut milk. 2 tablespoons of butter. Let's walk that up. Pause for the cause. Got 3 sausages. Cutting them into half moons. Hopefully 1/8 of an inch. Oops. I think we're going to do some mushrooms with this also. Alright, that looks good. Finish up the sugar snaps. Sizzle, sizzle in the background. You can hear it sizzling away. Some of my sausage. Then we got definitely love the dollar store for this little secret. The mushrooms, pieces and stems. Thing is though, drain the water and then squeeze it out. Get as much juice. That's how they make your pizzas if you don't know that. Watch them when they put the mushrooms on. They always squeeze them out. Alright. Quick pause for the cause. Alright, last but not least, we have some leftover oyster sauce. 1 tablespoon. Maybe 2.5. If it's a little wet, we're going to let this sit here for a few and drain in. So we'll leave that. Pause for the cause. Alright, we have our gluten-free oyster sauce. Let's give that a taste. Different. This is the first time in my life I have ever bought oyster sauce. Very different. I got it cheap. Alright. I don't have no hot sauce. I was going to shake this with a little hot sauce to get some of that out, but well, we have probably 2 tablespoons there. We're going to walk this up real fast, and I think I'm going to use some pumpkin seeds if there's any moisture on the bottom. Pumpkin seed powder, that is. Alright, you hear that sizzle, sizzle in the background? It's perfect. Things as I was walking this up that I thought would have been excellent. Notice we're dry at the bottom. We do not need anything to dry it up. I was thinking watered chestnuts, bean sprouts. Could throw some dried cheese in there, Romano, Parmesan, mushroom powder, but we got the mushrooms already. Lightly seasoned with a gluten-free oyster sauce. And there you go. We could do this with eggs. We could turn this into a frittata. There's so many directions to go. But this is what I was in the mood for. All night long. This is my dinner. Love you.